Hi, this is Arlene. So it is Wednesday, March the 28th, and this is the time. So I did a video early this morning regarding how my iPhone and my iPad alarm didn't go off, and I know someone's fucking with it. I just, I'm technically challenged. I really can't figure that one out. But anyways, I ordered this on Amazon, and basically it operates on battery. So it's an alarm clock. As you see, it's set for 3:30 in the morning, and everything is set. That's the snooze light, and this is how the back works. So tonight I'm gonna have this set. I'm gonna set the alarm for my iPhone here and for the iPad that I'm recording from. And between the three of them, hopefully I'm going to get up on time because I can't be doing this, but every time it happens I'm going to document it because that's the only power I have on my end is for documentation and making my videos. So I just wanted to share that, and that's it for now.